Donald Trump has been in the spotlight for his explosive comments at his Manhattan civil trial this week, but he's more than unhappy now that Ivanka Trump had to testify in the case. Ivanka Trump took the stand as the state's final witness after illegal attempts by herself and her dad failed to keep her out of the courtroom. It's a case that has much attention of everyone across the nation. It's Anna reporting. A source close to the Trump family recently spoke to Page 6 about the trial and how Ivanka Trump is now taking the stand. Behind closed doors, Trump is irate about the situation. The insider went on to mention to the outlet, quote, "What you aren't hearing in court is how upset and agitated Donald Trump is that his children have been dragged into court. He feels it's another move to upset him." It's been reported in the past that Ivanka and her husband Jared Kushner have taken a step back from public life after being in the White House as advisors and have been focusing on their private life. As of late, Trump's sons Don Jr. and Eric have already taken the stand in the case. Trump himself testified this past Monday as well. The source alluded that these sons can, quote, handle the heat and fight back, but there is concern that, quote, Ivanka is more vulnerable since she stepped away from politics. Another source close to the outlet claimed that Ivanka is tough and that, quote, this isn't her first rodeo. Living a more private life, the outlet claims that the former first daughter will do, quote, what she needs to do and go back to Miami. Lawyers claim that Ivanka should not be forced to testify after the appeals ruling back in June. The daughter of the former president was dismissed as a defendant by the state appeals court in June, but is now set to testify. Her father's attorneys have said that prosecutors unfairly want Ivanka to be a witness in this case just to have a, quote, circus day in court. As of late, Ivanka has been seen hanging out with the likes of Kim Kardashian. Some believe that Ivanka is looking to rebrand her image and distance herself from the Trump family after her father lost the recent election. Ivanka was seen at the 43rd birthday of Kardashian with guests like Jeff Bezos' fiancée, Lauren Sanchez. Donald Trump is accused of lying about his financial worth to enrich himself in business affairs. He has denied the allegations and recently made headlines for exploding during his testimony in court. Multiple protests have also come out of this trial for those who are still claiming the election was stolen and that January 6 punishments should be redacted. Officials have reinforced that the election was indeed not stolen and all that were involved in the Capitol insurrection are to face legal punishment.